In this video, I'll be showing you how to redeem codes in Solo Leveling Arise. As you can see, the settings icon or the gear icon is not appearing in the main interface of the game. So how to redeem these codes or how we can access this option. So just click this box icon on the top right corner of the screen. Then it will show this interface. And I want you to focus on this gear icon that you can see in the bottom right corner. Click this. And then navigate into the gameplay or the account. In the account tab, you will see this screen where you have to hover to redeem code. Just click this redeem code and then it will load the screen. Here you have to input the coupon number or the code that you have received from Solo Leveling Arise. And just click the use button and the rewards will be sent to your mailbox. So just check it and then claim it. And that's how you can redeem your codes in Solo Leveling Arise, and thank you for listening.